Here's how to convert Google Docs into Microsoft Word while keeping the formatting intact. First, open the Google Docs file you want to convert. From the top menu, click File, hover over Download, and select Microsoft Word. This exports the file using Google Docs' built-in conversion. If your document has a single tab, the file downloads immediately. If your document contains multiple tabs, a dialog box appears. Choose Current Tab or All Tabs, then click Export. Your Google Docs file is now downloaded as a Word document. Now, if you need to download multiple Google Docs as separate Word files, here's the second method. To download as Word file, open the Google Drive, hold Control, and select multiple Google Docs you want to download. Then click the Download button at the top. Google Drive will bundle your documents into a single zipped folder. Once it downloads, right-click the folder and select Extract All to unlock your individual Word files. That's it. All selected Google Docs are saved as Microsoft Word files. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.